let's learn how to copy an effect in a very quick and easy way in Illustrator. So let's say I've got this object, let's duplicate that once there, and put any effect on this. So you go to effect and just choose anything you want. Just go for like that, or maybe a flower instead, that's nicer. Just by the way, if you see these lines around a second boundary box, you can always remove that in the align panel. By the options there, use preview bounds. Once you uncheck that, then you wouldn't have that extra bounding box around. So now if I want to copy this effect over here, let's just change this color to show you. And I want to add this effect onto this, or to take off the effect from this element to put it on there. Then in your layer panel, you'll see there is that small gray square. That shows that there is an effect added to that shape. And you can always drag it into any other layer you want, and the effect will jump onto that one. Now, as you can see, the color changed. You could also copy the effect. Instead of making it go away from this object, you can copy it so they will both have it, and you simply drag it with holding down Alt. You can see the plus sign there, I don't know if you see it so well. Then both of them will get that same effect. Now the problem is, true, it gives you the same effect, but you lost your color. So I'm undoing that, and there is a quicker option, and you don't lose your color with that. You simply select them both and press Ctrl or Command Shift E. So now it actually became a lot bigger, but that's okay. You can always resize them, and there you've got your desired effect there. So that's a very easy and quick way to copy any effect you want in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave any of your comments, ideas, tips, or anything you want at the comments below. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.